Want to keep more customers and grow your business? Here's how to use a CRM to boost customer retention. Step 1. Start by centralizing all your customer data in the CRM, past purchases, messages, support history, everything in one place. Step 2. Use tags and segmentation to group customers by behavior, interest, or life cycle stage. This helps you tailor communication. Step 3. Set up automated follow-ups and check-ins. A simple, "How's everything going?" email post-purchase can build loyalty. Step 4. Track customer interactions and feedback in the CRM to spot patterns. Who's happy? Who's drifting? Who needs attention? Step 5. Reward loyalty. Use your CRM to identify repeat buyers and send exclusive offers or thank you messages to make them feel valued. Bonus tip. Run regular reports to measure retention rates and improve your strategy over time. Keep it personal, consistent, and proactive, and your CRM becomes a customer retention machine.